Hi lovelies, do you ever have issues removing stickers from your Ankara fabrics? Some of you call them kitengi, vitengi. Don't be confused when I mention Ankara fabrics. It is the same as the kitengi, the vitengi, name them, you know. The trick is here.
Baby Ndyamie, I like your style. It's just a beautiful feeling. Ankara style.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ndyamie Grace, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like, comment, share, invite your friends. We have a lot coming your way: celebrity corners, DIYs, travel sessions, beauty hacks, and a lot more. So please stay tuned.
My eyes on you, you come from your wardrobe, girl, and I like your style. Girl, and I like your style. Ankara by Ndyamie.
Yes, DIY, do it yourself, you can. All you need is a flat iron. Yes, you don't have to use a steam flat iron. All you need is this normal flat iron, like this. Because when you put water on the sticker, this is the sticker I'm talking about. When you put water on this sticker, it is going to fold, crease, and cause you a lot of stress to remove it. Plus, it won't remove neatly. So these are the stickers I'm talking about. And people who are new to Ankara fabrics, to kitengi, to name it, this is really your problem. You don't need to pull it off, because attempt to pull it off is going to bring you something underneath. You see, this is what you're going to get when you try to pull it off without going through the right. It is going to remain sticky. See, and it's hard to remove, to be honest. This is what you have to do. What I forgot to tell you guys is that you need an extra cotton piece to lay on top of your sticker. Mind you, whenever you're ironing any of your garments or your fabric, please make sure you have something, another layer, a cotton layer that you lay on top. Avoid putting a flat iron direct to your garment or to your fabric, as it will lose color. Yeah, the main effect is losing its color. So this is what you do. I placed it on top of the sticker, and I am ironing. I guess you see my flat iron is on. Do not sprinkle water or use a steam flat iron. So after that, this is how you remove. You see, peacefully, neatly, and professional, if I must say. Yes, you see, the fabric has this is different from here. See, this is different from here. Yes, you got it. That was our DIY session of how to remove a sticker from Ankara fabrics. Till next time.
Ankara by Ndyamie.